It's the 4th of July in Washington, D.C. More than 500,000 people have their eyes on the skies. They're celebrating our country's independence in the traditional way, with fireworks. Tonight, 15,000 pounds of paper balls will be hurled skyward and explode into a cacophony of color and sound. For these guys, it's like Christmas, New Year's, and the Super Bowl all rolled into 20 minutes. To get here takes hours of hard work, miles of travel, and months of planning. On this day, they will finally hear the words they've waited so long to hear.
3, 2,
Ready,
1.
Fireworks.